I'm back with my bro and his friend. They're about to play some gangsta crap. No?
Get that puppy away from your pond. You'll ruin it.
Stop, Roxy!
Stop.
Oh, this is my cutest dog ever. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my cutest dog. Oh my cutest dog, oh my cutest dog, oh my cutest dog. Oh my cutest dog. Her name is Roxy. Oh no. Oh, you showing off? You never do this to me. You never do this.
Puppy video will get you more hits.
Puppy video. My puppy video with my bro and his friend.
Already?
Okay.
Hey,
Hey, no, no.
time for the dance.
Trying to eat my candy. Oh, she just wants this.
I do something.
Yo, you ready? Zach, play some gangster shit.
Oh, I didn't get that. Michael, pull up your pants. Why do you even have that song on your phone?
We killed it, man.
That was the dumbest dance I ever seen in my life, and I've seen old.
Play some more gangster. Put on some gangster shit, man.
Their album in stores on November 13th with lots of music, videos, and extras.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, you showing off for the camera. You've never been on camera before, haven't you?
Ew, stepped in dog poop.
Haha, he stepped the dog poop.
Hey, wanna kiss it? I'm just kidding.
Oh, you trying to get my candy, I think. I think she's trying to get my candy. You trying to get my candy? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey! Okay, get down. Hey, she's trying to get my candy. Michael, put this on the thing over there. Hey! Nope. Put it back in. No, don't hit my dog.
No, we tear. Ready?
That's a dog of yours.
I'm busy.
Get. Wait, he's in the way.
It's Attack on Titan.
Wait, move. Get. Go.
Attack on Titan.
Do you guys want some more puppy love
No.
and more puppy shows?
No,
Do you want it?
No.
Then
No.
comment below or over there.
Do not give her puppy shows.
Shut up, Michael. And please like, comment, and peace.
No, wait.